welcome to yet another stylish edition of Style Alert with me, Sabah Hassan, talking about Bollywood stars and grading them according to their style quotient is undoubtedly our forte. And to help us come to a good conclusion, we have on board celebrity fashion designer Sanjana John. Hi Sanjana, welcome on Style Alert. Hi Sabah. And before we kickstart the show, let's quickly take a quick look at the events which took place last week. Let's begin the show by talking about the highlight of the week, and this certainly has got to be Lara Dutta and Mahesh Bhupati's Goan wedding. Sanjana, this definitely has to be Lara and Mahesh's wedding that took place in Goa, where she wore an Elisa gown and Mahesh was wearing an amazing black tuxedo. What's your take on the entire look of the couple?
Fantastic. I mean, they looked very much made for each other, a couple in love. I think which added to the whole feel of what they were wearing. It was so romantic, and the setting in Goa added to the whole feel of what they were wearing. And it was very subtle, elegant, yet I think spectacular. So, in short, romantic and spectacular.
Okay, so your take is spectacular and very romantic. One thing strange that I noticed when Lara was heading off to the venue, she was wearing this necklace in her neck. और जैसे वो venue पहुंचती है वो necklace हटा देती हैं. What according to you would be the reason that she didn't wear the dress with the necklace?
You know, she felt more comfortable. You know, Goa is light and it's more of a feel of, it's not as dressed up as you would in a normal dressed up Indian weddings as we normally see. So maybe she just wanted to keep the feel of Goa and light and beautiful and simple, and that's what it was. It was just beautiful.
Okay, and moving on from the wedding look, the beach look, अगर हम बात करें अब लारा और महेश की संगीत सेरेमनी की, where she wore Amana Gangwani's orange color lehenga and she teamed it up with Kundan jewelry. उस लुक के बारे में आप क्या कहेंगी, और खासतौर पे महेश ने जो पहना था वो शेरवानी पहनी थी ऑफ वाइट कलर की. Both of theirs look, what is your take on it?
Lara, over the years, because she's been a Miss Universe, she knows what to wear, what's appropriate to wear, when and how. So, I mean, she never, I've very, 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 very rarely or seldom seen her not being dressed to the T, and she was perfect.
Sanjana, we've spoken about Lara Mahesh's Christian wedding. हमने उनके संगीत सेरेमनी की लुक के बारे में बात कर ली, और जो नेक्स्ट हम बात करने वाले हैं वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट है, वो है इनकी रिंग सेरेमनी, where Lara Dutta was wearing Ritu Kumar's ऑफ वाइट कलर साड़ी. उसका बहुत अमेजिंग बॉर्डर था, और इस टाइम Lara Dutta ने पहले दोनों इवेंट के कंपैरिजन में अपने बाल खोले हुए थे. So what is your take on it?
Again, beautiful, because the way each look was presented, I think it was like a scene, and very thought out, and I think appropriate for what it was. The ring ceremony, she probably wanted the simplicity and more traditional, so she kept it, and the colors also were perfect for the event. And I've never seen her in like glaring colors ever, so she is a person who's subtle yet striking.
संजना, हमने इनके वेडिंग के बारे में बात कर ली है, क्रिश्चियन लुक के बारे में, फिर हमने इनकी संगीत सेरेमनी की बात कर ली है, रिंग सेरेमनी की बात कर ली है. अगर आप सारे ही लुक्स को स्टाइल सेंसेक्स पर देखें तो किस तरीके से कौन सा लुक को ग्रेड करेंगी, एंड व्हाई, व्हिच इज वेरी एसेंशियल टू नो.
See, being a Christian wedding, the Elisa outfit was perfect for that, and I would grade that as given the fact that it was a Christian wedding in Goa and they both looked perfect for each other, that I would grade the number one. Yes, numero uno. Second, I love the ring ceremony look, because that again was very perfect, and the feel again was, I think, from the heart. It wasn't loud and blaring, but subtle, toned, and spectacular. The third, of course, so I would grade all three great, but I think the wedding took the cake.
Sanjana, since we're talking about looks, we cannot complete our discussion अगर हम काजोल की मॉम्स में बात ना करें। काजोल ने अभी प्रिवेंशन मैगजीन के लिए एक अमेजिंग फोटो शूट किया है एंड शी इज लुकिंग फैंटास्टिक। शी इज लॉस्ट oodles of weight और डेफिनेटली ऐसा करके उन्होंने अपने आप को यमी मम्मी की कैटेगरी में शामिल कर लिया है। What is your take on it?
I think Bollywood is filled with all these yummy mummies now, which is giving tough competition to the wannabe yummy mummies because yes, they are so perfect and I don't know how they manage to be like this after having babies. And I think she's at 2 of them by now. She looks perfect. But on the list, look at Malaika. I mean, look at Karishma. I mean, you look at all these. I think Bollywood women especially have a way of keeping themselves look, I think, phenomenal after they have their babies.
Absolutely, Sanjana, by pinpointing all of these beautiful ladies, आपने मेरा next question खुद ही frame कर दिया. I wanted to ask you, who according to you, would you rate as the first, second and the third best mommies of Bollywood?
Tough question, but my personal favorite before marriage and after marriage has always been Karishma. I think she still looks like a little girl, and I think after she had the second baby, she turned up in this beautiful outfit, and then it's a Monday show for the Being Human show. Come on, I mean, hands down, I think she's one of the top yummy mummies out in Bollywood.
Okay.
Malaika, again, oh my God, and then what a gorgeous mummy, whatever she plays, she looks great. Malaika is of course another hot favorite, Sridevi, and so I would rate these two as my top 3.
Okay, so but Karishma all in all takes the cake. You've rated her number 1. चूंकि बात फोटो शूट की हो रही है, we definitely cannot ignore आमिर खान किरण राव फोटो शूट फॉर द वर्ल्ड मैगजीन. यहाँ पर ये जानना चाहेंगे कि दोनों का स्टाइल क्वेश्चन कैसा लगा, कैसे लगी दोनों की जोड़ी, केमिस्ट्री कैसे खिल के आई है.
See, I think Amir is the kind of person who is very simple. I don't think he goes by fashion statements or what fashion dictates, but yet he always manages to look good no matter what he wears. And Kiran again seems to be, I don't know her personally, but what little I've seen of her, she seems to be, she is who she is. She wears what she likes. But together, they look great. They look very much the couple in love.
संजना, हम बॉलीवुड स्टार्स की बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे बात हम करते हैं शाहरुख खान की मच अवेटेड फिल्म डॉन 2 का नया लुक रिवील हो गया है. Sanjana, I think both of us have spoken a lot, and at this point of time, both of us definitely need a break. What say?
Let's take a break now.
Hey there, welcome back folks. You're still with us on Style Alert और हमारे साथ on board है सेलिब्रिटी फैशन डिजाइनर संजना जॉन, जो हमें अपने व्यूज दे रही हैं तमाम फैशन डीवास के बारे में, बॉलीवुड स्टार्स के बारे में. संजना, द नेक्स्ट ट्रेंड दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट इज बॉलीवुड स्टार्स आजकल अक्सर देखे गए हैं स्पेक्टिकल्स पहने हुए, और हाल फिलहाल में हमने आमिर खान को अपनी आंट नजमा हेपतुल्ला के बुक लॉन्च पर देखा था अपनी वाइफ किरण राव के साथ स्पेक्टिकल्स में. What is your take on it? कैसे लगे आपको आमिर खान with spectacles?
I love men in glasses because I think it gives them that very intelligent, intellectual look, and it's totally hot. Even girls, because normally not on a day-to-day basis, but बीच में अगर पहनते तो I think that it's got a mysterious look which keeps your eyes a little discreet, and people want to see what's behind the
And I think आमिर खान did an intelligent thing. बुक लॉन्च पर स्पेक्टिकल्स पहनना लाजमी है, because there are certain times when you would want to use spectacles.
True, it goes with the book launch because the bookworms are the ones who normally wear the specs. So, and I think maybe he was keeping Kiran company because Kiran always wears specs. So these two guys are always keeping each other company, and I think he was keeping her company.
Absolutely. Sanjana, यहाँ पे if we say that spectacles these days are becoming more of an accessory than as a utility, क्या सही होगा कहना?
बहुत सही है, क्योंकि मैं खुद I keep it on all the time, but not specs. The sunglasses, I think translation हो चुका है from sunglasses to specs.
और अगर हम बात करें बाकी स्टार्स की, चूंकि ये ट्रेंड है, द नेक्स्ट बिग ट्रेंड इन बॉलीवुड, बाकी स्टार्स की अगर हम बात करें हु लुक्स द बेस्ट मेल एक्टर्स में एंड फीमेल एक्टर्स में स्पेक्टिकल्स के साथ,
The best part, easily Salman Bhai. Amongst the girls, I love Deepika. Recently, she was seen with glasses, and I thought it looked great because I've never seen her before in glasses.
संजना ट्रेंड्स की बात इनकम्प्लीट रहेगी अगर हम पिकॉक प्रिंट ट्रेंड की बात ना करें, क्योंकि हाल फिलहाल में नंबर ऑफ सेलिब्रिटीज हैव बीन स्पॉटेड, बीट मलाइका अरोड़ा, हासलीना जेटली, मारिया गुरेटी वारसी, इन लोग को हमने पिकॉक प्रिंट ड्रेसेस में देखा है. व्हाट इज योर टेक? यू थिंक दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट बिग ट्रेंड?
Peacocks, the peacock symbol, the peacock look, the peacock print, it's been there forever. In fact, I still remember 2005 when I had my launch in New York, my debut collection in New York. That was my inspiration. So over the years, हम देखते हैं क्योंकि peacock जो है, it's our national bird. Let's not forget that, and it's one of the most spectacular color combinations when you look at it.
It looks so rich to the eye.
Totally. So उनको represent करना बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है, and I think it stands out. So when you're looking for something different, we've seen transformation and transmigration of this over and over.
With this, it's a wrap on this edition of Style Alert with me, Sabah Hussain. Sanjana, thanks so much for coming in and sharing your views with us. It was such a pleasure to have you on board.
Pleasure was mine. Thank you. Thank you.
Hope you all enjoyed every bit